Christmas. Guys, we just want to wish you the best holiday you could possibly have, and thank you for all the support that you've given this channel this last year. Judy and I so appreciate it. You are the best community. We love you so much, and we're wishing you the best and most happy holiday.
Yes, we love you guys, and you are our family. You're our XRP family, and we couldn't have grown this channel without you. And we just bless you all with a wonderful Christmas and actually a happy new year as well. And we're really looking forward to having a really prosperous and blessed year this year, that a lot of your dreams will come true. And we're so happy to be part of this community. And we just wish you guys the greatest day with your family and friends. So
absolutely. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.
Jesus was born this day, save us who've gone astray. A gift from the Father above, His one and only Son. He leads the weak to victory, He makes the blind to see, opens prison doors and sets all the captives free. He heals the broken hearted, finds those who've lost their way, lifts up the ones who are cast down, gives them a brighter day. Sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah. Jesus was born this day. Shepherds in the field, watching their flocks at night. Angels begin to sing about a brand new life. The star is shining in the heavens. Let's follow the wise men say. Mary and Joseph in a stable, a miracle is on its way. A miracle is born this day. A miracle is on its way. A miracle is born this day. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Excelsis Deo. Sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah. Jesus was born this day. Jesus was born this day to save us who've gone astray. A gift from the Father above, His one and only Son.